let's do the indentation for these eyes, so that we can get the chubby cheeks. So first of all, cut a little bit of yarn. Thread the needle. And then start from the bottom here. So start from the middle here. And then pull the needle through the inside of the eye. And then leave a little bit of extra tail at the bottom. And then go to the outer side of the eye here. Then go just a little bit next of the first stitch, about 1 stitch apart. So from here, and then just leave it right here. And then go into the same stitch here and then go inside of the eye. For the second one, and then again outside the eye. First we went on to this side here, now go on to this stitch here. So from outward. Alright, so once we have this position here, then pull both the threads. So pull this one in, and then the same way pull the second one as well. So once you have the thread position, then make a more pull. So for this, it's important not to stuff too much. It's not gotta hold its shape. So once you are satisfied, just make sure to pull it hard and then make a couple of knots. So what I like to do is pull this yarn either upwards or to the other side on the back here to make sure that it's more secure. It doesn't have to be into the exact same position as it's gonna be stitched to the body. So this will hide it anyways. And then the second thread as well. And then make a couple of knots here. You can use a cotton thread and acrylic yarn or any other yarn like floss as well to make sure that it's holding its place. Or you can use the same yarn as the one that you're using for a plushie. I just like to make it more secure so that it's not losing its shape. And then let's go into the same one here. If you find the video helpful, please still like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.